Yan guys, part 2. And pink to the pink area and light pink. Yay, okay. Oops. Oops. And two. One pink, one more pink. Pink deals. Yes. Okay, let's lock this and close the tape. Already closed, and my DIY scoop. I can just go fix. This. Okay, let's start. Guys. Okay. Ayos ko lang. Masyado naman ito guys. Kahit anong kulay. Oh, hindi ko yan nilalabas. Hindi ko yan ginagamit eh. Oh, ako na naman. Lagi na lang. Kaling dyan. Lagi na papag-decision.